Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the TL431 edition, model edition in LTSpice. So today we will understand how to add TL431 in LTSpice. So you might have aware of that the many of the components are not available in the LTSpice library. So in order to simulate that component, you have to add that component in your library in LTSpice library so that you are now able to access that components and you can perform the simulation for that particular component. So today we are going to understand about how to add TL431 model in LTSpice. Okay, so I will explain very simple steps. If you follow those steps, I am pretty sure you will be able to simulate TL431 in your LTSpice, right? So basically there is a three types of files available for TL431. So the first file is dot symbol .sym. This is basically for the symbol. This is the library. This is .lib file for library, and this is .mod file for model. So in order to add your TL431 in your library, you need to have these three files in your hand, right? So you need to have these three files in your hand: dot symbol, dot sim, dot lib, and dot mod. If you have these files in your hand, you are able to add the TL431 in your LTSpice and you are able to simulate the TL431. So you can see here I have three files to add in my LTSpice library. So you can see this is .sim file, that is LTSpice symbol, .lib file, that is Altium library, and this is .mod file, that is mod file. So with this file I will able to add this file in the LTSpice library, and I will able to simulate the TL431 in my LTSpice. Okay, so hope you know how these files looks like. Okay, this is .sim, this is .lib, and this is .mod file, right? So now coming back to the addition of these files in LTSpice. So I will upload this file in the Google Drive, and I will share the link for this file in the description section. You can go and download this file and you can add in your local library. Okay. So how these files can be added in the your LTSpice, right? So how will you add these files in your LTSpice library? To add these files, you have to follow these paths in your laptop or in your desktop, right? In your laptop or in your desktop, whatever device you have for your simulation. So at the moment, I have kept these files in two folders in my local PC. So you can see this is a path. This is the path for these files. Okay, so you can see in the C user, that is C users, here XXXX stand for your laptop or your computer name. Here you can display there in your device. Then in the documents folder, here you will have documents folder, then LTSpice XV. Second, if you have downloaded this version and installed this version, so this is LTSpice XV second. Then you have folder of lib, then you have folder of sim or symbol. So in this folder you can place your sim file. I've already shown you three files. Among those three files, the sim file you can place here, right? You can place this path in your laptop or computer, right? So for .lib and .model file, you can use below paths. So C users your laptop or desktop name, then documents, then ltspice xv second slash lib slash sub. So in the subfolder, you can add your .lib file and .model file. Okay. You are now able to access the TL431 in your ltspice. So let me show you. I have already placed these files in my local system, and let me show you if I will be able to access the TL431. So let me go at this here. This is symbol. So go at symbol and you can see I am able to access the TL431. So maybe I will search here this TL431, right? So you can see I have TL431 in my database library now. So you can see here this is TL431. Now whatever you want to do with your TL431, whether you want to design as a shunt regulator or whatever, you can use this component for your simulation. So hope you understand how to add TL43 model in LTSpice. How will you add .sim file, .lib file and .mod file in given particular path? Hope you understand how do we add TL431 in LTSpice. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.